I just got a brand new Arthur doll from Play School back in 1996. He's so new. Oh god, I can't wait to play it along with Buster, made by Eden back in 1996 also.
Oh no, these dolls are so ugly. And I'm gonna burn them. Gimme it.
No. You can't have my dolls. They're mine.
I don't care, you big crybaby.
What did you say?
Fine. I call you a crybaby.
Season 1 DW, you can't call me a crybaby. And how dare you try to take away my special dolls. That's it. I'm calling your parents. Hello? Is this Season 1 DW's mom? I tell you that your daughter, Season 1 DW, tried to steal my dolls and burn them, and call me a crybaby. Will you ground them?
Did my daughter what? Oh my god. She's getting in big trouble. Yes, I will ground her. Thank you so much for telling me.
Season 1 DW 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 Season 1 DW. Get your butt over here now.
Hi Mom.
Season 1 DW, why did you try to steal Buster Baxter Fangirl's stuffed animals and burn them and call her a crybaby? Answer me right now.
Because I really hate her and also hate the way her toys are. I'm so sorry, Mommy. Will you forgive me? I promise to be good.
Well, apologies denied. You're grounded for 2 weeks. When your brother gets home from his friend's house, he'll give you a punishment day. As of right now, get straight upstairs to your room.